Okay, now we begin with practice set 43. Before we begin with practice set 43, there are these important points for you to note, children. The measure of minor arc is equal to its corresponding central angle. The measure of minor arc is equal to its corresponding central angle. That is what I told you, right? I explained you the central angle and I told you whatever the measurement of that central angle, same will be that of the arc which is within the angle. The measure of major arc is equal to 360 minus measure of corresponding minor arc, means the full circle is of 360 degree. So if you need to know one of the arcs, you have to minus it from 360 degree. If I know this part of the arc, then I have to minus it from 360 and find the other arc. The measure of semicircular arc is 180 degree. Now this is, sorry, my camera is moving a lot. The measure of semicircular arc is 180. So this semicircle, this circle which you can see, the semicircle part AXB is 180 and AYB is also 180. Let's concentrate on practice set 43, first sum. If arc AXB and AYB are corresponding arcs and major arc AXB is 120 degree, then find major arc AYB. So we go to this formula, second one, measure of major arc. So we write solution, the measure of the major arc is equal to 360 degree minus what they have said, minor arc. 360 degree minor arc is 120 degree. So minus 120. What answer do I get after 360 minus 120 is 240 degree. Here the measure of the major arc is, major arc here is what? AYB. Major arc AYB. 360 minus 120. Answer is 240 degree. Major arc AYB is 240 degree. Did you get it? So you can select the right option, 240 degree. Now second sum is there here, which says some arcs are shown in the circle with center O. Write the name of the minor arc, major arc and semicircular arcs among them. This is your homework. This circle is there. Sum number second is your homework. Next, in a circle with center O, the measure of here, in a circle with center O, the measure of minor arc is 110. What is the measure of the arc PYQ? Same. So what you will write is the same formula. Measure of major arc is equal to 360 degree minus measure of corresponding arc. So now 110 degree, what is the measure of the major arc? PY, what is it? I think PYQ only, PYQ, right? So major arc PYQ is equal to 360 degree minus minor arc is 110 degree. So what should be my answer when I subtract? I think 250 degree. If I am not wrong, my answer should be 250 degree, right? This is the sum, last sum of this exercise. Please thoroughly revise this chapter. Go through my videos again and again. And after going through, try solving without looking at the sums. Okay? Thank you.